Once a veiled woman who had a child cradled to her chest, she stood by a certain monastery, a darbar, and she was weeping profusely. She was crying a lot. A little boy approached and sympathetically he asked this veiled woman, "Dear lady, why are you crying?" This woman replied, My husband had passed away from this world, but he did not have his desire fulfilled of witnessing his little son. At that time, this child was in my womb, and up until now, he was the survivor of his father and the principal of my life. He had suddenly fallen ill, so I brought him to this darbar, this monastery, for spiritual cures. But he died on the way. However, I have still presented myself here at this darbar, this monastery, whilst maintaining great hope, because I know that the wali, the saint, the friend of Allah of this monastery is very close to Allah Azza wa Jal, and anything is possible via his blessed gaze. But the saint has advised me to make sabr, to keep patience, and he went inside. After saying this, the woman again began to cry profusely. This little boy's heart became very soft, and he proclaimed the following merciful words. Your baby is not dead. He is still alive. Look, he is breathing. Without any hesitation, this saddened and grief-stricken mother, she moved the blanket from her son, who was dead at the time. She moved the blanket from the child's corpse, and to her amazement, she found that the little baby was indeed alive and playing with his hands and his feet. At that moment, the saint, the wali of that darbar and monastery, he came out. Witnessing that the baby was alive, he understood what had taken place. The saint, he took his stick and approached the little boy and said, You have started revealing the secrets inscribed by the holy pen so early? The boy then ran into the direction of the graveyard, and the aged saint ran behind him. Upon entering the graveyard, the little boy shouted, O people of the graveyard, please help me. When the saint reached the graveyard, he was shocked to see 300 dead bodies that had come out of their graves and had shielded this little boy, who was standing with a smile on his moonlit face. The saint looked at the boy and he exclaimed, My son, I cannot achieve your rank, and therefore I surrender myself before you according to your will. Do you know who the little boy was? His name was Abdul Qadir, who later became famously known with the title of Ghaus-e Azam, alayhi rahmatullahi al-akram. And the saint was his maternal grandfather, Sayyidina Abdullah Sawma'i, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu.